Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Today we're going to learn a very nice strategy. It's called the Triveni Super Trend. And in Triveni Super Trend, what we're going to focus is on 3 time frames at one point in time. So when 3 time frames go in the same direction, we take a trade. So let's do that. Here is the setting for you. So we're going to take 3 super trends. The first one is going to be 10-3 and we'll make it 5 minutes. Second one, 10-2. We're going to make that 15 minutes. Third one, 10-1. We're going to make that 15 minutes. That's it. We're going to click and we're going to get all our 3 super trends. So let me demonstrate this again. The first super trend is thin green color. The 15 minutes is a little thicker, and this one should not be 15, this should be 30, and this is little more thicker. Okay, so the thickness says the time frame. Now, how do we trade in this? Along with this, we also need RSI. So right now we are in a 5-minute time frame, and how do we decide whether we should trade or not? Now, let's take these 2 examples. Now there are 3 super trends telling you buy. RSI is buy. So what will you do? You will definitely go for a buy, right? Now, let's understand what to do when all 3 are not in the same color. Simple answer, right? What are you going to do? You're going to not trade, right? Because it's creating confusion. Means all 3 time frames are not in the same trend. Let's take this one. All 3 time frames and trends are in the same direction. So how do you initiate this? Very simple. Always keep the first super trend on. So this is your 5-minute. You can also trade using 10-3 in 5 minutes if RSI is below 50. Then switch on the second one and wait for the candle to break the second super trend, which is 15 minutes. So now we are sure that the higher time frame, 15 minutes, is also broken. You can start your trade here. But if you want extra uh, confirmation and more accuracy, you can also select the third one. The moment you select the third one, you will see that the candle broke over here. Put a stop loss exactly here and trail your profits till the time one of the super trend does not become green. I hope that is simple to understand. Let's do it over here. Enter. Stop loss will be the 5-minute super trend and just trail the profit till one of them does not change color. Here we could have exited and re-entered again in the next scan. Remember, when you're going for a call, RSI should be above 50. That's the only important. It is 70, 80 that is not important. Now see, in this one, if you would have entered here, because all 3 are red, you can easily get your 200 points. No need to wait till here. Let's go over here. Same situation. Let's go back. See over here. If you get confused, I'll switch it on and off again. The 5-minute broke. The 15-minute broke over here. So 1, 2, 3, fourth candle. Now the half an hour will break, which is here. Actually, it's gone behind. So we have a confirmation. So had it been that half an hour was broken first, you could have still entered the trade. Okay. Now, how do we do stop loss? So we take our short position. We would enter here. You can go for a 1:3. I think that's too much. We'll take a 40 or 50 point stop loss. That's it. Make it 1:3. So you know approximately till where you had to break over here. Simple. Let's do one more. Over here. 1, 2, 3 all gave green. RSI is positive. We're going to go long in this. Again, 1:3. We'll take a very small stop loss around 50. I'm just making it approx 48 right now. And 3. That's it. This is how you can do your small trades without doing price action. Just apply these 3 time frames and you're set with RSI. Now, can we do this even in swing calls? Can we do this for day trading? Yes. So let's go and check some shares. We'll go to the NSE 500 list and we'll pick up any random share so that, we can just pick anything. I think I'll go for 𝘀𝗶𝗹𝗶𝗶 over here. Now what will I do? This is the rule that you need to follow. So I have made that for you. There will be 3 time frames. The first time frame is in the one you're trading. So what is that? Right now you're in day time frame. So we go to day. Now we go to the settings over here and 5 minutes will become day. What does our settings say after that? Second time frame will be higher than the trading time. So what is the higher? After day, it is week. And after week, it is month. 10-3, 10-2, 10-1. This will not change. So let's do it. Okay. Same logic. If all 3 tell you buy, then always buy. 1, 2, 3. Take a buy. Stop loss will be the trading super trend. Okay. So trading time frame is day and this one is your stop loss. This line is your stop loss. The moment candle comes out, you exit. Okay. Let's take it here. All 3. Till it doesn't come out of the first super trend, don't exit. That's it. Now let's look at, can you do this in commodity or currency? Let's do currency. Very simple. See, now this is a good situation to understand. Right now, our monthly super trend is here, daily is here, but weekly is up. All 3 are not in the same direction. So don't use it. Only use it when all 3 are of the same color. And remember the settings 3, 2, 1. Let's check on commodity, silver, 𝘃𝗶𝗶𝗶. This is the candle on which buy came. Be in the trade till the time the first one is not broken. Let's go and check gold. Same thing. This is the candle where the buy came. Don't exit till the first super trend is not broken. Let's check any share you want. You want to check futures list? Let's do that. Let's take Asian Paint. Amazing. Over here, this one broke the monthly. Day was already in sell and week was sell. Now we can short it. Take a 1:3 trade. Looks like it's going to fall down. Simple. Now let's see this one. See, in the day one, it gave a buy, but this is a better buy. Full confirmation. Go up till it comes down, or go for your 5%, 10% targets. Let's check some other share. Bata India, same story. All three have to be in buy, enter, take your target, exit. It all depends how you want. Some people also ask me, if this becomes red in color, should we exit? No. Until the super trend is not broken, don't exit. So once again, if the super trend is all three, if the price is above all three, go in that direction. If the price is below all three, go in that direction. See over here. Let's take this example. 1, 2, 3. The price is in between, so you'll not trade. Okay. See, the price over here is in between. You will not trade. Over here, the price is below all three. I think the stop loss would get hit over here. It's okay. See over here. It works very well in Nifty as well and Bank Nifty. I enjoy trading using this concept. Let's take Nifty spot and we're going to change it back. If you want to do 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes. That's it. And go back to 5 minutes. See? Superb. All three are in red. Go for it. Over here, there is no trade. Now, some things that I need to clarify so you can understand. Super trend works when trend works. This is very important. So they say super trend doesn't work in sideway market. Who wants to trade in sideway market? Sideway market for options is bad. Why? I would like that answer in the comment. Let's see how many of you can find that. So sideway market is bad for super trend and for options. Hence, it's all the more good. We are only trading when the trend is up in half an hour, 15 minutes, and 5 minutes. Simple, one trade, enough. Go for 1:3, 1:2. Simple, simple, simple. Who wants to trade over here? Nobody. So you have to understand this. No price action required, no technical analysis. Just go for it. I have given the link of my group also in the description. Join and learn a lot of things like this. I hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. And in the comment, do tell me the question I have asked, that why sideway market is bad for options. Thank you so much. Have a lovely day. Goodbye.